My name is Dominic Johnson, and the topic I chose is sustainability and green energy. Green chemistry is defined as an area of chemical engineering and chemistry that studies the creation of products or processes to reduce the production of hazardous substances. One of the principles of green chemistry is it is better to prevent waste than to treat or clean up waste after it is formed. Green chemistry eliminates pollution at the molecular level and results in source reduction because it prevents the creation of pollution. Source reduction is a practice that reduces hazardous contaminants to the environment and the public. Another principle is raw materials should be renewable whenever technically and economically practical. The creation of synthetic methods to replace non-renewable raw materials helps the environment by making materials more sustainable. Another principle is chemical products should be designed so that at the end of their function they do not persist in the environment or break down into dangerous products. By designing syntheses with little to no chemical waste and by designing products to reuse and recycle are good alternatives. Another principle is energy requirements should be recognized for their environmental and economic impacts and should be minimized. An example of this is when the United States Congress created a national policy to prevent and reduce pollution whenever practical. Another principle is synthetic methods should be designed to use and generate substances that possess little or no toxicity to human health or the environment. The creation of synthetic substances that are less damaging to ecosystems and organisms and are safer to handle because they are not explosive or flammable are a good example of this. And here are my sources.